Arthrex is a global leader in sports medicine and minimally invasive orthopedic technology. As a privately held company, our family business culture is committed to our mission of helping surgeons treat their patients better. The Arthrex Global Headquarters in Southwest Florida has a modern campus built to inspire a collaborative work environment. Being Arthrex proud is the motivating force behind everything we do, and we are honored to be consistently recognized as one of the nation's best workplaces in manufacturing and production. Together, we are making a positive difference in our communities and around the world.
What initially made Arthrex feel like the right fit was getting that hands-on experience where I have to think on my feet and come up with novel ideas to solve problems.
Working for a company that has similar values to my personal values is what gets me out of bed every morning, knowing that I did good work for good people to help other good people in the world.
The work environment is definitely collaborative. You always have people there to help you. People always bounce ideas off each other.
The Arthrex mission of helping surgeons treat their patients better resonates with me very personally because I am actually an Arthrex patient myself. I know the impact that that's making on people's lives because I've known the impact that it's made on my own.
At Arthrex, we take pride in our internship and co-op program and value the opportunity to help students find their passion and prepare for their future career. With over 100 interns and co-ops hired each year, we ensure our students receive a truly educational experience through meaningful projects and contributions that add value to our organization.
Being able to apply my education every single day, the day that I learn it, has made my understanding for different concepts such as the design process hit home.
My favorite intern/co-op event that's happened so far is definitely the medical education events. I like to nerd out and just have a professional there to sit there and go through exactly the product that you made and how it's actually used out in the field. I think that is so cool. It brings everything completely full circle just to see the impact that it's making out in the world. I think that's a really critical part of motivating the interns and co-ops.
I would say my favorite event that's been a part of this internship has hands down been the field day. It gave us an opportunity to take off the business professional attire, put on some gym shorts, get outside and play around and be competitive.
Our internship and co-op program provides students with networking and professional development opportunities through corporate learning classes, employer panels, volunteer events, luncheons, and more.
I definitely wanted people with experience in the field to help me out through this process and gain that experience, but I also wanted to gain that knowledge and kind of go off on my own in my day-to-day activities and try to put that to work in the industry by myself.
I feel that my internship has prepared me for the duties and the responsibilities that I would take on as a full-time engineer. I feel that because I get a lot of hands-on with the technical writing, seeing what goes into the administrative side of it, seeing how to communicate with different team members or different clients or different surgeons.
The people here are so nice, and it's also very innovative. I feel like these are beautiful buildings. You walk in, you want to do a good job, and everybody has that mentality. And by doing their best job, they're making themselves better, they're making their coworkers better, and the people that they're helping better.
I tell friends or peers of mine that might be a year younger than me, keep your eyes peeled for any opportunities at Arthrex. This is where you want to be. It's been a great experience.
From product development to manufacturing and every department in between, everyone plays a role in making people better. If you are seeking an opportunity to make a difference, look no further. Apply today at careers.arthrex.com to be considered.